Not again. Introduction, Peppa, please.
This is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. Chloe's birthday party.
Actually, Chloe's birthday party. Chloe is the cousin of Peppa and George.
Peppa has come to cousin Chloe's birthday party.
Hello! Hello, Peppa. Happy birthday, Chloe! Thank you, Peppa. Oh, what's that? That's my party. Is it a bouncy castle? No, Peppa. Bouncy castles are for little children.
Oh.
This is a bouncy thing for big children. George, this bouncy thing is not for little children like you.
Oh. Poor George.
Here is Miss Rabbit.
Welcome to the
It's a castle. So Mummy Rabbit says, welcome to the bouncy
challenge.
night challenge. Okay.
Test your bouncy skills to try and win the golden key to open the mystery chest.
Oh my god. Okay.
Brave night
All I ask, brave knights.
is that you take your shoes off. Now, who's going first?
Me.
Okay.
Your first challenge is the wobbly pillars.
They're just too wobbly.
Oh.
It is easy for me.
The second challenge is to crawl through a wall.
Ooh.
I am the best at bouncy night things. Wait for us.
The third challenge is to climb a slip.
What? Mummy Rabbit says the third challenge is to climb a slippery slope.
Use the knobbly bits to climb, Peppa.
I'm doing that, Daddy. This is easier. I was born to climb. It's not fair. I've got you, Peppa. Thank you, Chloe.
This challenge is
A slide.
the final challenge is the monkey bars of doom.
Oh my god.
Just climb the monkey bars to the other side.
But what
Okay.
if we don't make it?
Then you fall into the pit of doom. Perfectly safe and actually quite fun.
Okay.
Okay.
Here I go. That was fun.
Oh.
Thanks. No good.
Actually, the doom was of the exit. See, this is the doom, okay?
Ready, steady.
Peppa and Chloe says, ready, steady, go.
I'm slipping. Me too.
Oh.
That is impossible.
It can't be that difficult.
Can mummies and daddies try the challenge?
Yeah, if you like. Just take your shoes off.
Oh.
Tricky.
Use the knobbly bits, Daddy.
Yes, Peppa.
Oh.
That's
Oh.
impossible.
That pig says, that is impossible.
George wants to have a go.
Sorry, George. You are too little. Oh.
There are no.
Peppa says, sorry George, you are too little. And Mummy Rabbit says, oh dear.
Quite
Okay.
restrictions actually.
Okay.
Wow, that's amazing. He's unstoppable.
Oh my gosh. What? Can George do the monkey wars? Oh my god. I can't believe.
George has finished them.
Oh my god. So George had finished the fancy night challenge. Open.
Mystery chest, George.
I wonder what's inside.
It's a birthday cake.
Oh, butter cake.
Chloe. Happy birthday, Chloe. All thanks to you, brave Sir George Bouncy Night. That was the best bouncy birthday ever. Dinosaur party.
Okay, dinosaur party.
Today, Peppa and George have come to play at Granny and Grandpa.
This is Grandpa Pig. So Peppa and George have come to play.
Grandpa Pig.
Hello, Peppa.
Peppa said Grandpa Pig. And Grandpa Pig says, hello, Peppa.
And George.
Dinosaur.
And hello to you too, Mr. Dinosaur. Ah,
It is Granny Pig, dressed as a dinosaur.
my goodness, Granny Pig. You gave me a shock.
Sorry, Grandpa. Didn't I mention I was doing a dinosaur day today?
No, you didn't.
Granny, why are you dressed as a dinosaur?
I'm doing an historic...
So Grandpa Pig is I'm doing an historical.
reenactment about
Yeah.
dinosaurs with
Okay.
my friends.
It sounds like an excuse for another tea party in the garden.
Oh.
Party? It's all very serious and based on facts. I am dressed as a Tyrannosaurus.
Ooh.
And I've made costumes for Peppa and George. Peppa is an Allosaurus and George is a Stegosaurus.
Here is Granddad's dog.
Hello, everyone.
And what are you supposed to be?
I'm a Triceratops.
Granddad dog is an Triceratops. So Granddad dog, I'm a Triceratops, and Grandpa Pig says, what are you supposed to be?
Hello.
So hello, Granny Sheep and Granny Wolf says.
Granny Sheep and Granny Wolf.
Ah, I know what you are. A Brontosaurus.
Actually, the correct name these days is a Patasaurus.
Wonderful. Well, I'll get on with making the
Okay.
cups of tea.
Thank you, Grandpa. Everyone else, follow me. This is how the world looked a long time ago, when there were dinosaurs.
Let's start our historical reenactment.
What do we do?
I suppose we just stomp around.
So Granddad dog says, I suppose we just stomp around
Roar.
and roar.
A long time ago, dinosaurs walked the earth. Just like this.
I see the party started.
It's not a party.
Hello. Hope I'm not
Oh, this is Grumpy Rabbit.
late for the party.
You're just in time.
A cup of tea. Thanks, old chap.
It is Grampy Rabbit. He is dressed as a caveman.
Okay, caveman.
It's a caveman.
Well, you said it was a dinosaur party, and dinosaurs and cavemen go well together.
Oh.
Actually,
Anyway, I'm good at being a caveman. I hope you don't mind, but I asked my daughter along to the
So Grumpy Rabbit says, but they asked my daughter along to
party.
the party.
Miss Rabbit
Mrs. Rabbit has a dragon.
is driving a huge robot dragon.
Hello, everyone.
Robot dragon.
Sorry.
Oh.
It's a bit hard to control this thing. Stand back, everyone.
but that's a dragon, not a dinosaur.
Whatever, you have to admit, it's good.
I suppose it's like a dinosaur. Okay, everyone, on with the reenactment.
How long is this going on for? Didn't the dinosaurs die out at some point?
Yes, 66 million years ago, the world was hit by an asteroid.
What is an asteroid?
It's a huge ball of rock floating through space.
An asteroid would be super, but where can we get one?
It is Mr. Fox. Hello, Granny Pig. I heard you
So Mr. Fox is this, and Mr. Fox says, "Hello, Granny Pig. I heard you were having."
a dinosaur party, and I thought I might be able to sell you some stuff.
That's very
Okay.
kind of you, Mr. Fox.
I've got rubber pterodactyls, plastic nodding herbivores.
We need
Okay.
an asteroid,
It's like a ball.
and it has to be very big.
I've got just the thing. A
Oh.
giant beach ball.
A giant beach ball.
Perfect. That could be our asteroid.
What? See. Then, see, all the dinosaurs die out of 66 million years ago.
You've got people in fancy dress, palm trees, and a beach ball. This is a perfect beach party.
It's not a party.
And you can't have a beach party without music.
This is the best party ever.
Okay, Peppa says this is the best party ever. Peppa loves this reenactment.
Dinosaur parties. Everyone loves dinosaur parties.
A day with Dr. Hamster.
A day with Dr. Hamster.
Peppa and Susie are spending the day with Dr. Hamster. They are learning all about what vets do.
It's very nice to have two helpers with me today.
Okay.
And I see
So, Dr. Hamster says, "It is very nice to see have two helpers with me today. And I see one is with the..."
one of you is dressed as a nurse. Yes, I am Nurse Susie.
So, Susie Sheep says, "Yes, I'm a nurse, Susie."
I am Dr. Piggy.
Oh,
Very good.
okay.
I'll just call in the first patient.
Lots of pets have been brought to see Dr. Hamster.
Oh
Thank
my
you all
god.
for waiting. Next patient, please.
That's you, Nigel.
Grumpy Rabbit has brought Nigel the Newt in for a check.
This is Nigel the Newt for the checkup.
Nurse Susie and Dr. Piggy are with me today. We are learning about being vets.
Jolly good.
Now then, Nigel. Oh,
So Dr. Hamster said, "Now then, Nigel."
how are we today? Oh, good, you're fine.
That's great.
Just make sure Nigel drinks lots of water.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Okay.
Now then, can Nurse Susie and Dr. Piggy call in our next patient?
Okay.
Thank you all for waiting. Next patient, please.
Pedro is here with Stephen the stick insect.
Hello, Peppa.
Pedro Pan says, "Hello, Peppa."
Just for today, can you call me Dr. Piggy? Okay, Peppa. Let's have a little look at you.
Okay. Dr. Hamster says, "Let's have a little look at you."
Stephen. Something's wrong. He's not moving. That's what stick insects do. They keep still and look like sticks. Oh, yes. Of course. So, is Stephen all right?